Hello dear, in this video we will study about the molarity question, and this is a sample question number 3. So how many grams of glucose, which is C6H12O6, must be dissolved in 563 grams of ethanol C2H5OH to prepare as 2.40 times 10 to the minus 2 molar solution? So in this question they are asking how much gram of glucose we have to add, and so this is question mark, and molarity is given, and solvent is given in gram quantity. So to solve this question we have to remember this molarity formula first. So molarity of any solution will be mole of solvent, and glucose is here solute, mole of solute, which is glucose, and divided by kilogram of solvent, which is in ethanol here. And I can summarize this formula like small m, which is molarity, is equal to small n and capital W. So let's see what are the values are given in this question. First, capital W, which is 563 gram of ethanol is given, and small m, which is molarity of solution, 2.40 times 10 to the minus 2 molar solution is prepared by, and how much we have to add the glucose, that we have to find out. So to solve this question, first we have to calculate number of moles of glucose, and then from the moles of glucose we can convert mole to gram. So from molarity formula, if we from this formula we know that small m is equal to small n divided by capital W, which is number of moles of solute, divided by capital W means gram of ethanol, and from here we can calculate the number of moles. So number of moles will be equal to molarity multiplied by kilogram of solvent. So we know these two values from the question, so we can write molarity, which is 2.40 times 10 to minus mole per kilogram. This is the unit of molarity. It is very important to add the unit also, and then multiplied by 563 gram of solvent. So here is important thing that solvent is given in gram quantity, but we have to convert this into kilogram. So we will use this conversion factor. So 1 kg have 1000 gram, then it would be easy to cancel the gram or convert to gram into kilogram. And now when we will solve, all the common units will be cancelled out and answer will come in moles. So when we will multiply 2.460 times 10 to the minus 2 multiplied by 563 multiplied by 1 and divided by 1000, the answer will come number of moles of glucose, and this value comes 0.0135 mole. So now we know then how many moles will be dissolved in the ethanol to make 2.40 times 10 to the minus 2 molar solution, and then we can calculate from moles to gram quantity of glucose. So how we will convert? We will use this formula, small n is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So from here we can calculate mass means glucose quantity in the gram will be equal to small n, which is number of moles of glucose, and multiplied by molar mass of glucose. So we calculated here first the mole of glucose, so we have to write 0.0135 mole, and then multiplied by molar mass of glucose, which you have to use this C6H12. You have to count all the C6 and H12 and then O6. So you have to use all these carbon 6, hydrogen 12 and 6 oxygen atomic number. When you will add together, it will come 180.16 gram per mole, and then mole will be cancel out, and when you will multiply 0.0135 by 180.16, then answer will come 2.43 gram of glucose. So in this way we can calculate the amount of glucose or amount of any solute to dissolve in the given amount of solvent to make exact amount of molality. And another way to solve this question, which is I will say that short method of this is called short method. Short method means we know that molality is equal to number of moles divided by kilogram, and now we can convert mole in by small w, means mass divided by molar mass, and from this formula we can find out small w, which is gram quantity of any solute by multiplying by molality multiplying by kilogram of solvent and molar mass. So we know all the values, we have to just put all the value in this formula. So 2.4 times 10⁻², mole per kg, 563 gram. But here is important thing, you have to convert grams into kilograms, so you have to use this conversion factor also, and then gram will be cancelled out, and you can get the answer in kilogram of ethanol. And then you have to use molar mass of glucose, 180.16 gram per mole, and then once you will multiply all three digits together, you will end up the same value as we got in the upper this method. So this was the third sample question for the molarity, and I hope you understand how to calculate molarity, and you can calculate the amount of solute or amount of solvent from the molarity question, and we will see other question in the next video.